This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your VPN account is active and that you have the app installed. Once done, unlock your Android and make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled. Open the VPN app now or go to Settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow VPN if using a built-in profile. Tap the app to sign in and allow any requested permissions so the service can create a connection. You do this because permissions enable route changes and stable DNS handling, which are necessary before switching locations. Once logged in, you'll see a server list or interactive map. Use the search or filters to find the country or city you need. Scan the latency and server load indicators so you pick a responsive host. Lower ping and under 70% load are preferable. Make sure to check protocol options like WireGuard or OpenVPN. Choose WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility. Tap the location to initiate a new connection, then allow the VPN session request so Android routes traffic through the chosen server. You finish by verifying the change. Open a browser and run an IP/location check to confirm your address reflects the chosen country. If the VPN fails to connect, first switch protocols, then try a different server in the same region. Restart the app or your phone if problems persist. Make sure kill switch and DNS settings are enabled when you need full privacy, and use split tunneling if only some apps should use the VPN. This prevents leaks and keeps your traffic aligned with expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.